அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். எண்ணிய முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவே எண்ணல் வேண்டும், தெண்ணிய நெஞ்சம் வேண்டும், தெளிந்த நல் அறிவு வேண்டும். தொலைநோக்கு பார்வையோடும் சமுதாய சிந்தனையோடும் சமூகத்தையே தன் மனதில் கொண்டு வாழ்ந்திருந்த மகாகவி பாரதியாரின் பாடல் வரிகளோடு இன்றைய காணொளி காட்சியினை தொடங்குகிறேன். இன்று நாம் காண இருப்பது டாப் 10 பிக்கெஸ்ட் டேம்ஸ் இன் இந்தியா. இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய அணைக்கட்டுகளை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். சற்று வேறு விதமாக, தமிழில் அல்ல, ஆங்கிலத்தில். First one, Tehri Dam. The Tehri Dam is the highest dams in India with a height of 261 meter and a length of 575 meters. It also ranks as the 8th tallest dam in the world. Tehri Dam is built across the Bhagirathi River. It is located in Uttarakhand. It has the reservoir capacity of 32 lakhs acres. According to the Tehri Dam project, it withholds a capacity of providing water to almost 40 lakhs of people living in Delhi and 30 lakhs of people living around Uttar Pradesh. The dam is expected to generate about 2,400 megawatts of electricity throughout Uttarakhand. The dam not only generates electricity for entire Uttarakhand but also is the primary resource for fisheries and tourism sector. Thus, Tehri Dam is a boon for the residents living in Uttarakhand as it provides employment opportunities in large number. This dam has 3 phases and only one entirely constructed, while the other 2 are upcoming soon. Next one, Bhakra-Nangal Dam. Bhakra-Nangal Dam is built across the Sutlej River, which flows through Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. It is the second biggest dam on the Asian continent. This big dam is bestowed with a height of 226 meters and a length of 520 meters. It has the second largest reservoir volume capacity in India. The area covered by this biggest dam is approximately 75,775 acres and has the second largest reservoir capacity in India. It produces a reservoir capacity of 1,375 megawatts. The enormous height of this dam and the breathtaking scenic beauty attracts tourists from all over India. Nangal Dam is another dam in close proximity to Bhakra Dam. However, both are clabbed as Bhakra-Nangal Dam through they are 2 separate dams. The vast reservoir of this dam is the home of countless aquatic life, thus making it a reliable source of livelihood for the local fishermen. Apart from electricity and fisheries, water from his reservoir is used for integrational purposes for Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan states. Next one, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Sardar Sarovar Dam is built across the Narmada River in Gujarat. It is one of the major dams in the world regarding its volume as well as size. It exhibits a significant height of 138.6 meter and a length of 163 meters. Sarovar Dam is the largest structure to be built across Narmada River as it is a part of Narmada Valley project, which facilitates as a multi-purpose dam. The reservoir capacity of this dam is around 77 lakhs 1775 acres. This biggest dam serves for states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra for irrigation and electricity. This dam has been inaugurated by the year of 2017 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It houses a powerhouse that has a capacity of 1450 megawatts and also produces electricity to pump water for the nearby farmlands. This dam is a blessing to the drought prone areas and convenience to transportation facilities around the region. Next one, Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is constructed across the Mahanadi River and is situated in the Indian state of Odisha. This dam was built in the year of 1957 and is renowned as the first multi-purpose serving dam that is constructed in India post-independence. It bears a height of 60.96 meters and length of 25.8 kilometers with an artificial lake of 743 square kilometers, which is considered to be Asia's biggest artificial lake. The reservoir capacity of this dam is around 47 lakhs 79,965 acres. It is one of the highest dams throughout the world and acts as a flood control for nearby areas around Mahanadi Delta. It generates 347.5 megawatts of electricity to all the nearby areas around Mahanadi River. The fun fact to know about this dam is that it is constructed between two hills, which makes it one of the must visit places for the tourists all around the globe. So, tourists gets to witness the mesmerizing scenic beauty and wildlife around. And then we are going to Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. It is the one sorry it is the one of the famous dams in India. It is constructed across the Krishna River, located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The dam was built between 1955 and 1967, inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru with a height of 124 meters and length of 1550 meters. Its reservoir capacity is 9 into 106 acres, which is the second highest reservoir in India. It is one of the oldest and biggest multipurpose and hydroelectric dam projects in India. The water and electricity provisions to districts like Nalgonda, Guntur, Krishna, Suryapet and other parts of West Godavari is taken care of by this dam. It produces 816 megawatts of electricity to all the areas around Krishna River. This dam is known for its gigantic size and mind-blowing architecture along with the technological triumphs. It is surrounded by lush greenery which makes it a prominent tourist place. Thus, it is a favorite weekend gateway in the monsoon for residents staying in Hyderabad and other nearby areas. The island with the name Nagarjuna Konda is the must visit the place by all tourists and it also holds a museum as well. Next one, Cherutoni Dam. Next one, Cherutoni Dam is constructed on the Cherutoni River is one of the renowned dams near Idukki district in the state of Kerala. This dam ranks third position acre height among all the Indian dams. It is conferred with a height of 454 feet and length of 650.9 meters. It is the part of Idukki hydroelectric project. The reservoir capacity of this dam is about 16 lakhs 18,184 acre, which is good enough for the nearby areas of Idukki district. Cherthoni is the largest gravity dam in Kerala. It also includes a fantastic wildlife sanctuary in its vicinity, along with the other attractive places to visit for tourists all around the world. This dam, along with a nearby dam named Idiki, will be opened in connection with the Onam festival for the people of Kerala. This biggest dam offers one of the best sightseeing places like Calvary Mount and Hillview Park. Next one, Indrasagar Dam. Indrasagar Dam is constructed across the Narmada River, which is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh, bearing height of 92 meters and length of 653 meters. The dam is built as a joint venture firm between Madhya Pradesh Irrigation and National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. It was inaugurated by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in the year 1983. The reservoir capacity of this dam is about 98 lakhs 907,701 acre. The dam is famous as the biggest reservoir in India amongst all the dams across the country. It generates 1000 megawatts of electricity to areas like Narmada Nagar, Mundi in the Gantwa district and other nearby regions of Madhya Pradesh. One of the best features of Indrasagar Dam is its remarkable water storing capacity and its ability to serve giant farmland with the irrigation of crops. Next one, Krishnarajasagar Dam. Krishnarajasagar Dam is constructed across the river Kaveri and is located in Mysore in the state of Karnataka. It is one of the largest dams in South India, exhibiting a height of 39.8 meter and a length of 2,620 meters, built in 1938. The reservoir capacity of this dam is around 11 lakhs 9,742 acre, and the water of this dam is used for irrigation in Mysore, Mandya and other parts of Karnataka. It is the primary source of drinking water for the entire city of Mysore, Mandya and Bangalore, the big metropolitan city in Karnataka. One of the best places to witness in the vicinity of this dam is the Brindavan Gardens. Its wide varieties of local and migrant birds are one of the major attractions. From the last few years, nearly 220 species of birds have been recorded here in large numbers. Thus, these features make this biggest dam one of the best tourist spots of Karnataka, especially for a bird watching hobbyist. Next one, Mettur Dam. Mettur Dam is built across the river Kaveri, which flows in the Tamil Nadu state. It is one of the biggest dams in India and also the largest dam in the state of Tamil Nadu. This dam is also one of the oldest dams in India, built in 1934. It bears a highest height of 65 meter and 1700 meter. The reservoir capacity of this dam is around 21 lakhs 46,071 acre. It provides irrigation and drinking water provisions for more than 12 districts of Tamil Nadu, making it the primary source of living. The most important purpose served by this biggest dam is that it has the largest power generating capacity in India. At the foot of this dam, there is a park named Ellis Park. The park, the major hydroelectric power station surrounding this biggest dam and hills on all sides make the Mettur Dam one of the best tourist places in India to explore for its natural scenic beauty. Next one. Next one, Baisalpur Dam. Baisalpur Dam, the biggest dam of Rajasthan, is constructed across the river Banas in the district named as Tank. It was built in 1999 with the aims of providing water and irrigation to the nearby parts of this enormously biggest dam. Baisalpur Dam is built in between two mountain cliffs, which makes it renowned for its unique architecture. It showcases height of 39.5 meter and a length of 574 meter. The reservoir capacity of this biggest dam is around 89 lakhs 8,91,785 acre. It supplies water to Ajmer, Jaipur, Savai, Madhopur and Tank districts. It generates electricity of 172 megawatts to the neighboring areas of this big dam. Many districts of Rajasthan rely on this dam for water, electricity and other basic needs, thus making it a life-dependent resource of Rajasthan. Baisalpur Dam is well known for its mesmerizing beauty due to its natural habitat. Hence, it is considered to be one of the major attractions of Rajasthan. இந்த காணொளி காட்சியின் வாயிலாக இந்தியாவின் மிகச்சிறந்த 10 அணைகளை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். முதலில் ஆங்கிலத்தில் காணொளி காட்சி வெளியிடுகிறேன். சிறு சிறு தவறுகள் இருப்பின் ஆங்கில புலமை படைத்தவர்கள் மன்னித்தருள வேண்டும். அடுத்த முறை கண்டிப்பாக நான் திருத்திக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.